Two objects, one shooting up, other one shooting down to the east. Going up, it's going up very fast. This is going on down. See if it's in front of the clouds or not. Well, let's see, it's not. It's behind the clouds. They're low. Another object going down the east coast. Straight down. This is one of the ones you don't need night vision for, is right here. It's extremely big, extremely bright. It's just heading over to the south. It's below the clouds. It's heading to the southwest. Come on over, please. It just might do that. It's so low right now. Well, it turned and went away. I thought it was going to. It was thinking about it. Moving away very slow. It's to the south now. Still low altitude, not like it was. Moving on down towards Tampa. Yeah, that was big. Yeah, there it is. It's to the south. Just behind these trees. Very slow moving. It's going down somewhere else now. Legit. It's all sort of cloudy out here tonight. It's alright. Legit.